Both gold and crude oil traded precisely in the no trade zone, which I shared in the morning analysis with the Asia session just 10 hours from now. I told you not to trade gold between 1830 and 1840 levels. Precisely, the levels have proved out to be a very strong trading levels, and see it failed to sustain below 1830 and failed to breach beyond 1838. At the same time, crude oil too is traded between 78.5 and 77.4 levels, which is precisely a no trade zone. So now what to expect with the US session for gold and crude oil? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for these commodities. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels. Now, see, in the morning analysis, we did see that yes, after giving a breakout here at 1820, rise, retracement, and now again trying to look upwards. So it is still trying to trade in this bullish channel. And on the upside, we have seen 1850 levels is something you should watch out for. Now, right now, if you can see this on the hourly charts, it has given a breakout in the previous candle, and see the consolidation zone here at 1830. So only sell entry is if you see it trading below 1830. Rather, those who want to risk less can sell at 1828 itself, then expect 1825, 20. And remember, once again 1820 zone, which was the support earlier, is going to be the support again, and also that will be a gap filling exercise here on the hourly chart, and hence sell below 1830. That is clear here. Now look at direction movement, moderately bullish. Stochastic has reversed a bit. MACD is bearish, trying to converge, crossover for a buy. RSI looking down here. And if you look at 2 hour, now on the 2 hour charts, the equation is same. It has to go past by 1840 levels to confirm the reversal here. Yes, this zone is important. Do not trade between 1830 1840. Above 1840 we can expect 1845 and then 1848.50. Be careful of 1848.50 levels. Beyond that, it may try to trade further bullish for 1860 and 1880 levels. Direction movement bullish, stochastic looking up. The MACD has crossed over on the 2 hour chart. This is bearish, this is looking down. It can try to bring a little more bearishness. RSI trying to look down again, indicating little bearish. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, now look at the 3 hour chart, there was a reversal indication. It tried to retrace, however failing to breach past on the upside. It is trying to look down. But remember one thing, see two candles with long tails on the upside. It means there is a lot much support on the downside, which is pushing the price up, and hence it has to break strongly on the downside such that it can continue with the bearish momentum. And yes, 1830 is the level below which it may try to trade little more bearish there. Be careful of those levels. Direction movement bullish, stochastic recovering a bit. And if you look at the MACD, this is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a sell cross. RSI is looking down, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour charts, the formation is similar, and the same levels I will recommend here too. Direction movement is bullish here too. Stochastic has dropped a bit, trying to recover a bit. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. It is still in green. RSI looking down, indicating slight bearishness there. Now look at the daily. On the daily charts, you can see the 20 period moving average situated at 1840 levels certainly be a very good resistance zone. Yes, beyond that 1845 and 1850 is something I will look forward to. Only and only if it breaks beyond 1850, you can expect that the first stop is going to be 1860, and then possibly we may see in fact 1880 levels. And this time if it breaks on the upside, this may give a very strong bullish candle. Be careful. At the same time, look at the previous 3 red candles. Equally on the opposite side, if it breaks below 1818, 1820, first 1808, 1810, you should watch out for. Below that we may see a very sharp drop below 1800 levels. But as I told in my weekly analysis also, 1788, 91 is a very strong support zone. Be careful of that levels. Direction movement is bearish, trying to cross over. Stochastic was oversold, trying to recover a bit on the daily charts. The MACD, interestingly, the MACD has crossed over after trading bearish for a long while. Almost a month and a half, almost 6 weeks, it has traded bearish from extremely overbought levels to extreme oversold. Now it is trying to cross over. You have to be watchful here. RSI looking down. Now considering this, you can sell at 1830, but then watch out for 1825, very strong support, and then 1818, 1820 levels. Below that we may see a further drop which might take it for 1808, 1810, and if it drops below this we can see further sharper drop. But remember, till it trades above 78, 1788 and 91 zone, we can expect it to reverse again. Remember this fact. On the upside, you have to buy at 1840, expect 45 and then 50. If it trades above 50, you can expect that there is a rise which can be expected, which might take it for 1860, 1880 levels till tomorrow or in near future. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Strictly for a $5 stop loss, trailing stop loss, you should continue with the trade. Now, let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. That 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, crude oil in the morning analysis, we saw that 78 levels were proving out to be a little resistance. It breached this, achieved 78.4, and now we are looking forward to 79, because beyond that it may break past for 80 levels also. Right now it is trying to reverse or retrace a bit. Now if you look at the hourly chart, see, this is the bullish channel. At the same time, this time it is trying to form a squeeze here. You have to be watchful there. Once it stays above 78.5, certainly we can expect it to trade bullish, and below 77.2 levels, 76 levels is the next target, and below 76 further bearishness can be expected. Now if you see, the directional movement is bullish, stochastic looking down, it is trading overbought. The MACD on the hourly charts is again willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is trying to look down, trying to trade bearish. Now look at the 2-hour chart. One important point you should observe, see the velocity and the force with which this candle has appeared, and the velocity which it has broke or it has breached past 78 levels, which means this is a good indication. Second is 78.4 levels, nearby a stronger resistance, and the third is 77.4, 77.2 zone, very strong support. So once again, I will recommend not to trade between 78.5 and 77.4 levels as I shared in the morning analysis. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking up. The MACD is moderately bullish, RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, now on the 3-hour charts you can see multiple candles there getting the resistance at 77.8 levels and 78 levels. Yes, it has breached past this successfully and achieved. Now see, the complete movement is between the zone, which is precisely a no trade zone. It has to break past either which ways in order to confirm a real trade, and hence you have to be watchful here. The directional movement is moderately bullish, stochastic is overbought, which means a little retracement on the downside can be expected. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge a bit here. RSI trading near to the highs. Now look at the 4-hour chart. See, couple of bullish candle, reversal here, consolidation, retracement, one more bullish candle. See, now you should count, this is the first bullish candle, this is the second bullish candle. It is trying to retrace a bit, and then probably a third bullish candle might appear, which might take it for 79 and 80 levels very in the near term. Now only sell entry, as I said, is below 77.4 levels. Below that you can expect it to drop a little. Below 77.4 you can expect 77, 76.5, 76. Till 76 be watchful. I have told you several times. I will come to the daily chart and I'll explain it why. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD is bullish, RSI is trading flat near to the high levels, near to the top levels. Now look at the daily charts, and as I shared, first there was a head and shoulders, second there is a, you can say, squeeze which is happening, lower highs, higher lows. I have told several times 74-75 zone is a very important zone. Only bearishness is if it trades below 73.8 for now, and this time if you see it trading below 73.8, you can confirm that first target 72, then 70, and below that we may see 67-65 levels there, if and only if it drops below on the downside. Now look at the daily charts. You see, now it is trading above the 20 and 50 period moving average, which is a slight bullish indication. also look at the previous two candles here. One extreme bullish candle, a candle with a smaller body, and this time it is trying to swing. So either it has to break past on the upside, which might take it for 79 or 80 levels, and only if it trades above 80, we can expect little more bullishness. Directional movement here is bearish, stochastic is overbought, the MACD on the daily charts have crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish. RSI is also trying to look upwards. Considering this, you can buy today at 78.4 levels, sell today at 77.4 levels. In between this $1, do not take any position today. Above 78.4, 79 first target, $80 second target, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Below 77.4 till 77 first target, 76.54 next, 76.5 next, 76 the third target. Below 76 we may see 75, 74 as the 73.8 is the stronger support, and if it crashes, certainly it is going to bring more bearishness. Hence, trade with caution here. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.